So we're here in Clovis, California at a, I believe it's a Benchmark. I think now they're Century Homes. We've been out to a couple homes. These are all brand new, so the homeowners have just moved in here, and their Renai was not putting out enough hot water, at least for their liking. The manufacturer recommends 120, obviously, for safety reasons. They do have a tempering valve in the attic for the big soaking tub or jetted tub in the master bath. Reason being, it's a full flow valve. Anything over 120, there's a scalding issue, so they recommend, they set it up in the attic and they set it at 120 and leave it there. The rest of the home is adjustable, and there's an internal adjustment that you do. You take the cover off and you adjust it. Anyway, so we've adjusted that for them, raised it to 130, tested out the shower in question, which is the master shower, just to make sure they have the right temperature they need. You're still going to wait for hot water. It won't come any quicker, but it will be hotter. You can go all the way to 140 with this now. Keep in mind, 120 is normal. A lot of homes, they'll set them at 110. So 120 is where you should be. At 130, there is a risk of scalding. So just keep that in mind. Monitor. If you ever get, I know your kids are grown, but if you ever get small children here for whatever reason, or at some point grandchildren, maybe that's down the road a ways, just monitor them, because 130 is a little risky. 140, you've got third-degree burns in 30 seconds, you're going to the hospital. So just keep that in mind. It's been adjusted. We've tested it. Everything looks good. As a note, this unit needs to be flushed once a year. You can certainly give me a call. I'd come out and do it for you. If you'd like instructions on how to do that yourself, give me a holler. I'd be glad to help you out in that area as well. Outside of that, this service is done.